Alright, who's ready for part 2 of a ginormous heavy Temu haul? Whew! This bag, I feel like it's Christmas. Hey everybody, and welcome to part 2 of my big ginormous Temu haul. If you want to go ahead and download the app, I highly recommend it. Of course, I've got a little link down in my description box. Definitely check them out because they actually do free price adjustments. They have flash sales and lightning deals all the time, and currently they've got an exciting Easter sale going on over on the app, so definitely make sure to check it out. As always, everything's going to be listed and linked down below for you guys, and I'll put it in the comment section too with the most updated pricing that they have. But just go ahead and click the link because the price could have changed with the flash deals they got going on. Thank you guys so much for being here. My name is Rhonda. Let's jump in. So the first item, I always haul these. These are great for travel. Now, I hauled them in white on my other channel, but I wanted to show you guys, like, my kiddo is doing a lot of traveling too, actually to Japan. So if you guys have any things that they need to haul, let me know down below. Because I'm always looking for ideas. But we've got this cute little pill bag. Now this one is not see-through, but it is like nice and padded on the inside. This is what it looks like. It looks like that real high-end Stony brand. I love that. And then here is the clear bag. Very cute. It says meds on here. So I thought, like, when I'm traveling or when my kiddo is on their way to Japan and they need like a little first aid kit or what have you, this is going to be perfect. And we've got the nice cute little gold accented zipper. Love that. A lot of my bags that I travel with are all from Temu because they hold up really good, and I feel like I get through TSA easier because you can see right through them. All right, I was telling you guys in part 1, the poly mailers are such a good deal, and just to show you guys, I got them even in a larger size and in a different color. In part 1, I had actually just gotten white, but they do come in other colors. This particular one, I went with like a cute little pastel pink. If you're ever shipping or you have your own like store, pick up your poly mailers from Temu. You can get all different sizes, all different colors. They're great, and it makes it so much easier than having to like go to the post office. You can just get what you need and ship it however you want. Boom, right from your mailbox. All right, next in here, oh my gosh. So my husband actually got these in camo, and now he picked them out, and these are literally so comfortable. He loves them. So these were true to size for him. He didn't have any issues. They have like this cork kind of material. He said they literally feel like the ones that cost like $50 to $60. Identical. They were very much true to size, really nice and affordable. And you can see the texture. Here's the bottoms. All right, next in here, they came in like this little bag. They're garbage bags. These are the garbage bags that I use in all of our trash cans. These are great. They hold up well. Put them in the bathrooms, whatever. And if you're like me, we grocery shop at Costco and Sam's, so our groceries come in boxes. So I don't have the plastic bags to put in. So yeah, I get them a couple bucks for a couple hundred. It is such a good deal. And like I said, they totally hold up, and you can pick whatever color you want. Oh my gosh, how cute are these little thumbtacks? And they come in like a cutesy little case. But how precious is that? They came in different colors too. Oh, I think this is like a little crafty thing I got for Haley, the little kids that she watches. It comes with everything you need here. I always try and pick things like this up in case like you're a room mom or something and you guys do crafts with the kids at school, or you have like little Easter shindigs or what have you. Things that you can make and put together, which I'm not gonna like sit here and do it the whole time, but just to give you guys like a little, there you go. And then it's got the little tacks to hold it together, and then you can put little Easter grass in there and like little tiny little treats. And if you guys do little spring celebrations or Easter celebrations, these are perfect. And it comes in different colors too. So there's pink and purple and looks like green and blue. Okay, so I got these cute little gift bags. So how adorable are these? It's just a set of 2. When you're gifting, there's that, and then it comes with a really pretty ribbon that you could like tie around here. But isn't that fun? I just thought that was so cute. Like, I love finding little things like that. And it's so funny because my 19-year-old is the exact same way. Like, everything's a presentation type of deal. So yeah, if you're looking for these cute little gift bags, definitely check out Temu. How adorable is that ribbon? It's so nice and fancy. I'm also the person that when it's a really cute goodie bag, I will not get rid of it. Anybody else? Oh, my little bow fell off. All right, so I found this little soap tray, and then it comes with the little padding on the bottom, but my little bow came off, so I just need to glue it back on. But I just thought it was kind of cutesy to put in like the bathroom or something, because I do have like a pink shower curtain, but it's got the little holes in there, and you can just put your soap in there. This is something that I've actually hauled before over on my other channel, and I got it in black and white, I think, and then when I saw it, it was in white and pink. I had to have it. How freaking adorable is this? The quality is so precious, and when you wash it, I do not dry it. I always just hang dry this because I'm afraid that the ribbons will come out. I've never had that happen, but I love it. So this particular one I did get in a medium, and it's kind of baggy, so I could definitely size down, but I thought it was so cutesy. I love it. So, but it is very much true to size. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I got some more clothes for my husband. This man is going to be decked out of men's dry t-shirts, or what's that called? Dry wicking t-shirts. Wow. Oh, this is going to be great. Nice. It has like a nice stretch. Great for the summertime. I can't believe that. You've got so many different colors. You got the khaki, the burgundy, the navy, the olive, the royal, white, gray, and 2 black. What a good deal. I got this in a 3XL. I always tell you guys that the men's clothing definitely runs smaller than the women's clothing over there. My husband normally wears like an extra large. These are going to be great. That is really, they're so nice and soft. How cute is this? Dang, this is nice. Let's take the sticker off. Okay, I don't want to spend all the time. I still got to peel this part off, but look at that. Does that not remind you of like Dior or something? That is so adorable. Ooh, yeah, this reminds me of Dior. No, there's a strap. How nice is that? And then you've got a strap. I have never heard of this brand before. The quality is really nice, guys. Oh, we've got a nice matching strap and kind of that like canvasy feel to put on there. So you can do it like with your hand, like you could hold it with your hand, or you could just go ahead and put a strap on there. I'm gonna put the strap back in here because I'm gonna just use the handle. I love that. I love that. Ignore this. I just have to peel that off. But it's embroidered. Oh, this is such a staple for spring. Oh, it did come with a dust bag too. Ooh. You guys know I do my own gel nails, and I picked up one of the gel lamp, and then it came with a bunch of accessories. So we've got the nail file. Then we've got the little, I love these, if you like to do little decor. See the little pointy doohickeys? You put like your polish on there and it's different sizes. We've got a cuticle pusher, another filing, and then a little brush to clean it. Oh, there's even nail clippers down in here. Gloves, UV protecting gloves. How freaking nice is that? Oh, this is so nice. It's not going to take up much space. The one I have now is ginormous and bulky, so I'm gonna test this out. I went ham sandwich with shoes again. It matches the purse. Oh my gosh. Okay, so fun little fact, I got these in a 38, so I'll be able to show you guys the difference. If you watched part 1, I forgot, yeah, 38 fits perfect. These are so luxurious. Look at the heel too. It's like a kitten heel. So little tip, at least for me, is if my shoe has a a pointy toe, I always size down. So the 38 is perfect. If it's a rounded type of heel or type of toe, that's normally when I go with the 38. But the 39. But the 38 pointy toe, straight perfection. And then I can literally match it. Do you guys love to match your shoes and purse together? This is a staple. This is necessary. This is very much necessary. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited over that. Here's another pair. Oh my god, these are so fun. These are so fun. How wild are these? Aren't those so cute? You know red is huge for spring this year. How cute are these? So I did get these in a 39. Let's see. Let's try these on. My battery's starting to go. So there are a little big, so it's kind of the same issue as before, but I think I'm going to be able to get away with them, to be honest. Oh, I love them. How cute is that? Such a nice little fun, like, pair it with a little black skirt. I don't know about y'all, but when I was a kid, I'd go to Payless and I could get a ton of shoes for like next to nothing and have a huge shoe collection because I loved the quantity, and turns out the quality was good too. So can't complain there. Oh my gosh. Okay, so my best friend actually recommended this because my kids packs lunch for college. Little snack containers. This is the actual lids. But you can pre-fill little snack containers. So for me, I thought, okay, when my kiddo goes to college, goes to work, and then of course if we're like camping, boating, traveling, these are perfect. And like I said, my best friend was like, oh my gosh, girl, these come in so handy with my kids. So it has a little lid and you can pre-portion your little snack. I am so excited over this. These actually I've seen going viral over on TikTok too. All right, friends, so that is everything for today's Temu haul. Ginormous part 2. It was amazing. As always, everything's going to be linked and listed down below for you guys for direct purchase. Thank you so much to Temu for letting me pick out these items for today's haul and working with your girl. I greatly appreciate it. And until next time, friends, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye. Speed away from the holy mind. Pride. That's where I never